In this video, let's look at the LCP panel assembly, its components, and the connections. We start by providing 220 volts AC using a breaker switch. Next, we arrange the terminal connector blocks, the DALI master gateways, and the DALI bus power supplies. Since each master has 3 buses, we use 3 power supplies per master. Then, we place the server, the router, and their power adapters. First, we connect the AC supply and distribute power to all components. The neutral wire, shown in black, is looped across devices. The live wire, shown in red, is also looped. Next, the DALI bus connections are made between the power supplies and the master gateway. Orange is bus 1. Blue is bus 2. Red is bus 3. These buses are then connected to the terminal array, which allows further devices to connect to master 1. In the same way, the 3 buses of master 2 are looped to another array of terminals, dedicated for master 2. Power is then distributed to the server and router adapters using sockets. Next, we connect the Ethernet cables. Port 1 to the server, port 2 and port 3 to 2 of the masters. At this point, only one router port remains. To add more masters or devices, we use a network switch. This expands the available ports, allowing us to connect any number of devices. For simplicity, we'll consider an LCP with only 2 master gateways. This image also shows the internet connection to the system. Internet can be connected when required, for configuration or system updates, using an external hotspot, mobile device, or home network. A laptop can also be connected temporarily to the LAN ports for programming or setup. Additional devices, such as Modbus masters, kinetic receivers, or relays, can also be connected to the router ports. Since the router has Wi-Fi, wireless devices like curtains, thermostats, and intercoms can connect to the system directly over Wi-Fi. Now let's see how external devices like lights, buttons, screens, and Android panels are connected. In this ceiling, we have 10 downlights. The DALI wires are looped as a bus connection in the ceiling and terminate in the LCP. The button panel in the same room also connects to this DALI bus through the terminal array, and it requires a 220-volt power connection as well. For simplicity, some devices are hidden in the image. In another room, the button panel is paired with an Android display. The power for this can be looped from the first room. However, the DALI bus for this second room's button panel is separate and connected to bus 2 of master 1. Additionally, a Cat6 Ethernet cable is required from the router to the Android panel for data communication. Many such rooms and floors can be added. Once all wiring is completed, we can proceed with connecting and configuring the different devices.